Building a personal brand can feel like a daunting task, but with the right tools, it becomes not only possible but effective. In this video, we'll show you how to do that with LeadPages quickly and efficiently. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll not only understand how to use LeadPages for your personal brand, but also discover a better solution that's more tailored to your needs. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the basics of building a personal brand. You want your message to be clear, consistent, and easily accessible to your audience. This is where LeadPages comes in. It's one of the top platforms for creating landing pages, lead generation forms, and building a connection with your audience. Whether you're an influencer, coach, or entrepreneur, LeadPages is designed to help you capture leads and build relationships with your audience. Next thing, let's talk about ease of use. LeadPages has a drag-and-drop builder that allows you to create professional-looking landing pages without needing to be a tech expert. All you need to do is choose from one of their templates, and with just a few tweaks, you have a page that looks great. But it's not all perfect. While the templates are solid, there's a bit of a learning curve if you're used to more intuitive builders. It can feel a little rigid at times, especially when trying to personalize certain elements. The fourth thing is lead generation. This is where LeadPages shines. It's built with high-conversion lead capture tools, such as pop-ups, opt-in forms, and landing pages that are designed to collect your audience's info and build your email list. This is essential for a personal brand. However, here's the catch: LeadPages is focused mainly on these features. It doesn't give you as much room for building a more complex funnel or advanced automation without integrating other software, which could get expensive and time-consuming. Now, let's touch on customization. LeadPages gives you a lot of options for customizing your pages, but it does have limitations. If you're trying to build something really unique or need a lot of design freedom, it might fall short. If you're looking for something with more flexibility in design and branding, you may feel a bit boxed in. So, you might be asking, is LeadPages the right tool for you? Well, for those of you who need a simple way to get started with building your brand and capturing leads, it's a solid choice. But, and here's the kicker, if you're really serious about building a long-term personal brand with powerful automation, analytics, and a more customizable platform, there's a better option. And that's why we've partnered with a competitor that not only offers a more comprehensive solution, but also gives you an exclusive and extended free trial that you can access through the link below. This will allow you to test out all the features and see how they can work better for your goals of building a personal brand. The bonus here is that, through our link, you're not just getting the best trial, you're also unlocking exclusive benefits that no one else will offer. So, if you're serious about building a personal brand, don't just settle for good, get the best, with a trial that lets you test everything at no cost. Check out the link in the description, and thank you for watching.